Hey friends, welcome to GrammarJam Quizmasters. Today's topic is exploring where and where. Here are the basics. Where means we are. Where indicates inquiry or location. Where means to use up, break down, or adorn with clothing and or accessories. Buckle up for a quiz session. But first, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to our channel. And tap that notification bell so that you can stay on top of your grammar game. Are you ready? Do you know where Brisbane is? Select the appropriate word. Excellent start. If you chose WHERE, you are correct. Did you notice? The word where has the word here in it, which also indicates location or place. June will only wear her glasses when she reads. What's the right word to use? Well done. The correct response is WEAR. We're going to the costume party dressed as pirates. Choose from the following options. Outstanding. The correct response is WE'Re. That's where we are going to have dinner tonight. Which word is correct? If you chose WHERE, congratulations. You are correct. Next sentence. We need to decide which pizza toppings we're going to get. You're doing great. The answer is WE'Re. They forgot where they parked the car. Select your answer A, B, or C. Superb. If you chose WHERE, you are correct. We're going to the beach this weekend. Choose the correct response. Good job. The correct response is WE'Re. Next question. We always have a great time when we're at the park. Which word fits in the blank? Fantastic. The correct response is WE'Re. She was excited to wear her new dress to the party. Choose the correct word. If you chose WEAR, great job. Complete the following sentence. Joel wondered where babies come from. Well done. The answer is WHERE. We're all going to Jessica's dance party on Saturday. Select the appropriate word. Excellent. If you chose WE'Re, you are correct. Can you tell me where the local library is? Choose the correct response A, B, or C. If you chose WHERE, congratulations. You are correct. Cycling on a gravel path creates wear and tear on the tires. Which word correctly completes the sentence? Outstanding. WEAR is the correct response. We're excited to have gym class outside. They exclaimed. Choose the correct response. Well done. If you chose WE'Re, you are correct. Helena's pencils wear down faster when she takes drawing classes. What's the correct usage in the sentence? Excellent. The correct response is WEAR. Where did you get that beautiful red dress? Choose from the following. Good job. The correct response is WHERE. Congratulations! You've completed the quiz. Now, if you haven't already, be a wise owl and subscribe for more.